Hey YouTube, Robert here from Hitch to Horsepower, and gonna add another little tiny accessory to the truck today. Gonna add the Dee Zee tailgate assist. I got kind of spoiled with the 450 where you just hit the button and the thing kind of just very nicely softly opened up. You know, this isn't gonna quite be that, but you know, it will help. So let's go. You know, it looks pretty straightforward. Pull this bolt off, you put a nutsert in here, and that's pretty much it. Then put the piston in and see how it goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so we got this little bracket there. It is installed. It's a pretty simple little thing, and let's see. I think it definitely took some of the ring, and let's see the down. That's not bad. Not bad at all. It takes a second to grab it, but once it does, it gets it good. I'm happy. Well, thanks for watching. For those observant of you, yes, I did get a haircut in the middle of installing this. You know, I had an appointment, so I left in the middle. Anyway, yeah, that was pretty easy. You know, again, it's a Dee Zee assist. I got it off Rock Auto. They're actually out of stock at the moment, but I think it was like $15 or $20. Wasn't that much. You know, if it was a lot, I probably wouldn't do it. But for this, it's pretty cool. One little update on the Trucksport Tuxedo. I took it for a drive yesterday, about from my house up to Baltimore, and then down into DC and home. And on the 80-ish mile drive of highway driving, the computer for the miles per gallon was saying about almost 21 miles per gallon, where I just took an unloaded trip to South Carolina and back and got 17.5 according to the computer. Going into the city with stop and go traffic in DC on a, what's today? What is it? Tuesday afternoon during rush hour, you know, like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It dropped down, but only to 17.8. And then on the 30-ish miles back home up the highway, 25 miles home, it popped back up to about 19 something. So looks like this thing is actually getting this, this cover is really going to help with the fuel economy. Anyway, I really appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. We got a couple more upgrades to the truck coming soon, and a few other surprises. Thanks. Bye.